Hey there, welcome back. Today we're test driving a 1965 C-10 pickup truck. We'll be taking it down the road. It's got a LS cast iron block. Looks like it's got the AC set up with all the nice upgraded pulleys. Beautiful motor, beautiful setup they got going on here. 4-wheel disc brakes, the black chrome American racing wheels, a slick paint job, new floors. This is one cool ride. Y'all like to ask me how I let these go. This one I don't want to, but I got 2 kids I can't put in the back. So this one right here is going up for sale and we're getting ready to do a test drive. Hope y'all hit that subscribe button. Check out maplemotors.com. We have finance and shipping, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories, and 100 detailed pictures for you to look at. But for now, it's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, so before we leave the lot, I like to look around the interior. Look at this seat, guys. It's awesome. It's got lots of flex. It's very comfortable. The interior is in great shape. Same with the dash. It's got one of the new digital radios. The dash has been upgraded. Check this out. Let the fuel pump kick, turn the key, starts right up. See the oil pressure's coming up, engine temps up right around 200. And that's good for an LS motor. That's where it stays. There's the mileage that's on the dash. The tach. Gas gauge, volts, radio. Radio's working. Blower motor is kicking on AC. Seems like it's pulling down on the motor. And it feels decently cool. But it is only about 55, 60 degrees out here today, so. All right, go ahead and place your bets. You think that horn works? I'm gonna try it here in a moment. Windshield wipers work. Let's try this horn. It's not hooked up. Nice steering wheel though. All right, let's take her down the road, see how she drives. Okay, got the wife riding along with us today. We're going to lunch, so she likes going for a ride too. Yeah, she keeps pointing at the Pacer. Look at this truck we're in. You know what that Pacer?
It looks like a bubble.
Huh?
It's a bubble.
I mean, they're unique. They're pretty cool. But
I think that's why I like it.
I like this truck. So we're going to be taking this down the road today. I noticed the throttle's a little bit sticky. Probably need to take some WD-40 and keep spraying it down the line until it lubes up. I had to do that on my Chevrolet actually. Woo! Little squeak on the belt too. Anything I see, I will let you know. It is a squeaky belt. Tighten that thing up. Speedometer's coming up and it is working. Truck's going straight as an arrow down the road, and as soon as I turn, it turns nice and tight. There's a lot of new parts on this one. Kick down is hooked up. So far so good, other than the squeak. We may try to work on that belt, see if we can get that squeak out. But there's a lot of people waiting on this video, so we're gonna keep rolling. Especially as good as this thing drives. Yeah, I told him before we started, if we didn't have kids, I'd own this truck.
Throw them in the back.
No.
Strap some car seats back there.
Put a topper on it. bit of a shift kit to it as well. All right, so I'm gonna pull over here in the parking lot. We're gonna get some outside shots. I'm gonna give you some undercarriage shots as well. I did a walk around video checking this out in the parking lot back at the lot. I want you to check that out. That is gonna be located the last 30 seconds of this video. For now, if you like these videos, you wanna make them yourself, look below in the description. I got Amazon links to everything I use. Just the other day, a guy said it had some videos turn out really well. He bought everything off the list. So it's worth checking out. That's what I use. All right, guys, let's get these shots. All right, we're gonna take off here. The squeaky belt's getting a little bit worse. Only two issues that I've seen with this truck so far is a squeaky belt and a little bit of a stiff throttle pedal. It's like just initial takeoff here. We need to get some WD-40 down that line. Otherwise it tries to burn out everywhere. It's got plenty of power. Definitely squeaky. Suspension on this one, I'd probably give it a 4 out of 10. It's definitely bumpy in the rear. The truck has been lowered quite a bit. So you got lowered with oversized rims, it's gonna give it a bumpy ride. You should be able to cruise down the highway with no issues. Doesn't seem like it's low geared. speed bump in it, you can kind of listen for the rear end there. That's what I was talking about. The bed seems like it's stiff back there suspension wise. You'll definitely be able to tell by listening. It's coming up right here. We're right around the corner from the lot, but I think we're gonna go on to lunch, so we're just gonna keep on driving by. Speaking of that, what do you want?
Just trying to figure that out.
I thought you were yelling rubies.
Yeah.
Oh, you were? Oh, okay. We'll squeak our way on up to Ruby's, and when I get done with lunch, I'm gonna come back here and grab another ride or two and continue these test drives today. I do appreciate y'all watching. Hopefully this gave you an idea what this truck's about. All right, guys. See y'all in the next video. Later. Okay, so we made it back to the lot. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post classic American muscle cars every single day. At least I try to. You can check us out, maplemotors.com, for close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories. I have financing and shipping available. And of course, if you like the music, go to Southgate Production. That's a YouTube channel here. And got some videos on there for you, and got all the music under my name on iTunes, Amazon Music, pretty much anywhere you can find it. I appreciate you watching. I'm gonna grab me another ride. We're gonna go for another test drive, guys. See you later.